Today I am going to be showing you how to export Blender models into Roblox Studio. Let's get started. You first need to get the model that you want to export. Delete unnecessary parts from existence. After that, you want to go to the upper left-hand corner where it says Settings and click on it. Then you want to click on Export and select either FBX or OBJ. Whichever one you choose, it doesn't really matter. For this tutorial, I will just choose FBX. Save to downloads or wherever you keep your files. Now you are ready to export. After that, you want to open Roblox Studio and select whatever base plate you want to create. When you have loaded in, you want to go the very upper part of the screen and click on the View tab. Once click Select Asset Manager. Once selected, click Save to Roblox. Then save the place. When finished, it will quickly reload you back into the place. After that, you will see various files that may seem confusing, but don't worry. Just go to the Meshes folder, right-click, and select Add Meshes. After that, go to the file location of the exported model and click Open. As you can see, we have the model successfully imported inside of Studio. Let's click it. Before the model loads in, you will get a mesh import options on your screen, but for this tutorial, just click Apply All. Blender's cube is pretty large, but that aside, you have successfully imported your first model. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.